Hi, I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Stucco siding is one of the most popular types of exterior siding on the market. This cementitious material gives your home a classic look with a variety of customization options. One of the biggest appeals of stucco siding is its lack of maintenance and durability against harsh climates. So if you're interested in replacing your home's exterior with stucco siding, one of the first things you want to know is how much it costs. So in this video, we're going to talk about the cost of stucco siding and what factors can affect that cost. In 2023, stucco siding costs around $8,000 to $20,000 for 1,500 square feet of siding. This is a standard cost for professional installation and does not include soffit or fascia replacement. To accurately estimate how much your stucco siding replacement will cost, remember to factor in the cost of labor and installation. You can purchase stucco products at big box hardware stores, but whether you install the stucco yourself or hire a local handyman, remember that the overall price of installation will add to your cost. Stucco siding is an affordable replacement siding option, but there are many factors that affect the overall cost of your project, like square footage, customizations, and more. So what factors affect the cost of a stucco siding replacement? The total square footage of your exterior will be the first factor that affects the cost of your stucco siding installation. When you think about it, 400 square feet of stucco will be less expensive than 2,000 square feet of stucco, right? You must also consider other exterior areas you may replace along with your siding, like the soffit and fascia. Any added square footage will add to the cost. One great thing about stucco siding is that it can be installed over almost any current siding. But if your siding is not in great condition, it will add to the cost to either repair or install a new substrate. Substrate is necessary to protect the interior of your walls and help the stucco siding last on your exterior better. The cost of substrate increases the cost of your project per square foot. If you don't need a new substrate and your siding can be used under the stucco, your project's going to cost less. Any customizations you add to your stucco siding will increase the cost. Some common customizations for stucco siding include the color, finish, design and pattern, and more. All customizations have an added cost associated with them. So if you want to make your stucco as unique as possible, make sure to leave room in your budget for it. Recommended additions are the last factor that will influence the cost of your siding replacement. When you work with a professional siding replacement contractor, they will most likely advise you to replace other parts of your exterior at the same time as your siding. Common recommended additions with a siding replacement include soffit and fascia replacement, trim replacement, and gutter or roof repair. If you're interested in stucco siding, it's important to do your research. You want to ensure you choose the right stucco product for your home that meets all your needs for your project in terms of durability, longevity, customizability, and more. A large part of a successful stucco installation is finding the right company you trust with your home. But how do you find the right company to work with? To help you out, we linked an article above that outlines how to find the right home remodeler and contractor in 3 simple steps. Then you'll know exactly what to look for and what questions to ask to choose the best company for your stucco siding installation. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.